Boom! Guys, these are the OpenRun minis, just like what I'm wearing right here. Guys, I'm wearing the OpenRun Classic. So the OpenRun mini is just same thing as the OpenRun I have, except they're smaller, so I don't have this gap behind my head. So let's check them out. OpenRun mini, let's boom! Oh yeah! Boom! Boom! Oh yeah! Boom! Oh! And of course, I got the blue ones right here. Dude, these are nice. So here they are in all of its glory, and these are the smaller ones, these are the minis. So let's compare the mini with the full-size ones. Boom, the shocks. You got your button right here. On this side, you have your charging, magnetic charger. You got the rocket switch and the power button right there. And these are our transducers, just like I'm wearing right here, the OpenRun. The classic one, the transducer, is what produces the vibration that your cheekbone picks up. So again, there's nothing in your ear, right? So these things will fit over your ear just like this. They fit over the ear. That way, there's nothing is inside your ear, so it's very clean, it's very hygienic, right? So there's no bacteria, nothing in your ear. And number two, your ear is open to the atmosphere, so you can hear around you. What I have here, these are the OpenRun Mini. Since I have such a small head, I have this extra gap right here, which is perfectly fine because I've been working out with these and been running with these, and they're great. But the OpenRun Mini has a more precise fit that will fit even better. So let's try them out right now and see how well they work. So these are the OpenRuns. I just take them off just like that. Sweet. Alright, so you see the size difference, by the way? They're just slightly smaller. You got the OpenRun right here. You got the OpenRun Mini right here. Slightly different in size, just slightly. But that's all that matters to me. Alright, let's try the OpenRun Minis right here. Let's put them on. They go over the ear just like that. Super easy. And boom. Oh, yes. See? It fits much better. There's less gap between my head and the actual band now. And these are the OpenRun Minis. Look at that. Same deal. Same deal. It sits right here, so you hear the music through the vibration on your cheekbone. You can make phone calls with these things as well. So as you're working out, doing your marathon, so you can make phone calls on these while you're running. You have the Bluetooth 5.1. You have the 8-hour battery life. Yo, these things, you have the quick charge too. So if you run out of battery, 10 minutes on the charger will give you 1.5 hour of battery life. These things are sweat proof. They're great for working out. These things are awesome, guys. You can get sweat on them. You can have splash on them. No problem. 8-hour battery life lets you run a whole marathon without having to worry about running out of batteries. So to turn it on, there's a button right here, right there. See right there? I'm gonna push button and hold it right there. See right there? Once you push a button, it will blink red and blue. That means it's ready to pair. I'm gonna bring my phone up. OpenRuns by Shop. Connect, and it's gonna connect right now. It's connecting right now. It's connecting, and boom, now it's connected. It's connected. Let's test this out right now. Guys, I'm listening to some music right now. It's crazy. It's so crazy because I can hear the surrounding, but I can hear the music too. It sounds so crisp, so clear. This is the beauty of the bone conduction headset, right? It's open to the ear, but I can hear everything. Now, can you hear the music? Here, watch. Listen. You hear that? People around you cannot hear what you hear. It sounds so good. It sounds so clear. This is ridiculously good. I hear the music right now. It sounds so good. We're playing music. We're rocking to it. Yet you can't hear anything, but I can hear around my surrounding because it's so cool. Bone conduction headset right here. This thing is slightly vibrating right now. Here, sending music to my cheekbone so I can hear the music. It sounds so clear. It's wet proof. It's weather resistant. This thing has 8-hour battery life. It's so simple, so clear. You can take phone calls as well. I can work out with these. These are lightweight. These are the minis, so they fit my head really well right here. Dude, this is awesome. I can wear my sweatband right here if I wanted to. I can wear my sunglasses. Boom, there we go. Sunglasses over the ear, no problem. You see right here, the bass transducer is still working. I got my sunglasses on. Dude, this is rocking. This is sweet. I got my headphones right here. Dude, I can wear my sunglasses and still wear the shocks. Look at that. And I got my sweatband on. Everything works, guys. It's perfect for working out. No one knows I'm listening to some crazy music, but my ear is open to the atmosphere. I mean, literally right now, I got my sunglasses on. I got my sweatband on. I love these things. These are incredible, and they sound so good. Can you hear the audio? You see my microphone right here? Here, watch. Let me show you guys. Here's my microphone. Listen. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? I'm putting it right next to your transducer right now. It sounds so clear. Can I feel the vibration? A little bit. I can feel the vibration a little bit. But what I really enjoy is it sounds great. It sounds like I'm listening to regular headphones. The music sounds good. It's incredible. And listen. So good. So there we go, guys. I'm wearing the Shocks OpenRun Mini. They look so good. They sound so good. We're blasting music right now. Oh man, it sounds good right here. We are wearing them with the sunglasses, sweatband, don't matter. These are Shocks OpenRun Mini, and they fit so well. They sound so good. Boom, right there. Shocks OpenRun Mini. Oh yeah, right there.